Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best products and reviews. Today, we've got something special for all you DIY enthusiasts and leather lovers out there. The best leather repair kit for car seats is available in the market. Introducing the Leather Repair Patch by Anine. It's a complete game changer when it comes to reviving your worn-out leather car seats, furniture, and more. Let's dive right in and explore all the fantastic features of this incredible product. First off, this leather repair patch measures a whopping 12 by 48 inches, making it one of the largest options on the market. That means it's perfect for tackling extensive damage, whether it's on your car seats, sofas, or even office chairs. What sets this repair kit apart is its professional-grade quality. It's crafted from high-quality leather with classic textures and colors. The surface is not only smooth but also waterproof and wear-resistant, ensuring long-lasting results. Now, let's talk about versatility. The Anine Leather Repair Patch can handle it all. Scratches, tears, holes, burns, cracks, you name it. It's even suitable for uneven or curved surfaces, giving you a wide range of repair options. But here's the best part. It's incredibly convenient and easy to use. The kit includes everything you need, from the repair patch itself to the adhesive. Just clean the repair area, cut the patch to the desired size, peel off the backing paper, and stick it on. It's that simple. And speaking of applications, this leather repair patch is not limited to just car seats. You can use it to breathe new life into your leather recliners, sofas, motorcycle seats, wallets, boots, belts, and even luggage. The possibilities are endless. Anine offers over 20 classic leather colors to choose from, ensuring a perfect match for your leather item. Just take a close look at the textures and colors on their detailed page before making your selection. And if you're unsure, they even provide complimentary color matching services. To sum it up, the Anine Leather Repair Patch is the ultimate solution for anyone looking to restore their leather items to their former glory. It's large, it's durable, it's easy to use, and it's available in a wide range of colors. Plus, it's a fantastic value for your money. So, whether you're a car enthusiast looking to refresh your seats or just want to breathe new life into your favorite leather furniture, the Anine Leather Repair Patch has got you covered. Don't miss out on this Black Friday deal with a 20% discount. Grab yours now and make your leather items look brand new again. That's it for today's review, folks. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more fantastic product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.